Where are you going, sir?
Huh.
Are people in?
Not yet.
Wait.
Yeah, 2 people joined.
Okay. Hey guys, so I am at the Tupperware store in HSR layout. It is a flagship store. So Bhumika wanted something to be shopped. So we thought, why don't we try it out? I thought I will take you along with me to see my misery and everything. Come on. So first thing you always do is sanitize so that your hands are safe and you are protected, which is good. But what you see is a 50% festive state, which is basically means that I am in for luck. It's not going to be heavy on my pocket. All thanks to Bhumika. She wants me to spend today. Anyways, come on in. The first and the most important thing anybody does is the temperature check. Safe? Safe. Okay, so we also have Ramya here. She is the store manager, and I asked her to help me out with a few information so that I can understand what it is and then decide what we would probably want. Bhumika is behind the camera. She is helping us out. So right now we will understand what we want, and from there we will take it out. And if you don't mind, I'm going to remove my mask down so that the voice is correct.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So yeah, I'm going to lower my mask because the voice wouldn't come out or else. So yeah. All right. Thank you. So this is something very interesting. What is this? This looks very weird and very different.
Sir, this is our inspired range where we can cook, steam and bake things. This is all in one, and this has a sandwich bottom with the copper one, and this is stainless steel. For evenly, the heat will be spread evenly and the cooking will be done fast. And we have the seal which has Teflon glass and the bakelite things, and so that the heat will not touch the things when we are opening and closing it while it is on the cooking. And it is suitable for induction, ceramic and gas.
All the three?
Yeah, all the three.
Fantastic. Because Bhumika badly wanted one of these.
Yeah.
And we still have to decide which one. How many liters is this?
Sir, 2.8 liters.
This is 2.8 liters. So this is for your curries and all of that, right?
Sir, even in this we can do deep fry everything purpose.
Wow. Very sturdy.
Yes, sir. This is steam when we want to cook the steam things and we want to release it off when we are cooking the curries and all. Once we add the water, we will release the steam. Before that, we will cook in the steam mode.
Wow. And I must tell it's very sturdy, pretty heavy, but I love the way you can carry it and keep.
And this unique was you can cook without oil and water also.
Without water, so it doesn't get stuck in the bottom.
It will not stuck. The only thing is we have to observe to that is the gas should be on the same.
Okay, low flame.
Low
Basically.
flame,
Okay, perfect, lovely. So you want this, no? 100%. I know you. Okay, so yeah, she wants that, and then that's an interesting one. So we have something else over here. These are your new products?
It's a new set for the festive range,
Okay.
and that is a very new product and which is multi-purpose. We can use for both dry and wet things. Even we can use that for the fridge also. The perfect for pickles, geese, and chutney pudis and all.
So this is, so if you're in a South Indian family, you
Yes.
will have a jar of pickle. And in my house, we have those ceramic ones, the big ones,
the same
from my
kind of
granny
pickle.
ages. So Interesting.
This is capacity of 1.5 liter and the 3 liter. According to the family size, we can chill. And the batter, we can store it in the fridge also.
Batter also.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So this is pretty much for your batter and everything.
Exactly.
And it's also fridgeable.
Fridge, yes.
Yeah, perfect, awesome. See, something which I love about Tupperware is the quality of the product. I am pretty confident all of us have seen these bottles. Everybody at some point of time would have picked up one of these. And this will stay, but the human will go. But this
Yes,
is going to
yes, that will
stay.
stay, sir.
A
So
solid
that-
quality. And one of the things which I know is I am being guilty of it. When I was a small kid, my mother had that ceramic jar with pickles.
Okay.
And I was very playful and I wanted to help my mother to actually remove it.
Okay.
And when I did that, it has oil, right?
Yes,
So one of the
exactly.
things, the problem with that is it slips.
Yeah.
And it doesn't have any grip because it's ceramic.
Correct.
So I held it and it fell down.
The whole pickle.
The thing is gone.
Yeah.
I thought my mother is going to beat me up because of the pickles.
Okay.
She was not bothered about for the jar.
Jar.
But my mother actually belted me for the pickles because pickles was a lot difficult.
Exactly.
See that I can get the jar again, but pickles I had put too much effort. So she, I
That
had a
stays
fun.
for a whole year, no sir.
Yes.
That usually there will be nothing. In
So
this case, that will not happen.
These are your cooking, these are your tiffin sets.
Tiffin sets, sir. This is my lunch. We have inner containers. Okay.
Oh, nice.
Now,
Okay.
this inner containers is leak proof. You can carry your curries, chutneys,
Huh.
liquid items, anything. It will not
Spill.
So with the cap.
things.
Yeah.
Yeah. Has nice cap.
That has cap also.
Yeah, even that also has cap.
Yeah.
Superb. And these are microwavable as well.
Sir, for few seconds it is microwavable without the steam.
Okay. Interesting. I love the color. Superb. And this is your basically
For carrying
bomber jacket for your
bottles.
bottles, so you can carry it. You can just put it on. And for all the kids, they have their Avengers
Favorite actors.
and all this stuff. Very interesting. These are something which are very new, right?
Yeah, thermals range.
This is thermal range, yeah. So in this, the hot water would remain hot
Yes, hot and cold for 6 hours.
for 6 hours. So this is another interesting thing because of COVID. A lot of you probably would be drinking hot water, and at office getting hot water is not going to be very easy. So yeah, I think
So this has 500 ml capacity.
500 ml.
This you can use as a cup.
cup, yeah.
When you are
So very interesting. I like this. Maybe I'm going to pick up one of
Sir,
these.
what I thought is when the bloggers who will be going out, this kind will be useful for you.
For this is also thermal.
Yeah, thermal, sir.
Wow. I like the button. Just check this. So you are in public, you want to show off, come, drink, lock it, one hand, perfect. And it also has locking. So that's the most important thing. I think that's what I love. The one I have is a different one.
Yes, yes.
But this, wow. I like this. I'm picking up one of these. Very interesting. This is also good for your car
Yes.
if you are taking something. And this is your lunch box
Lunch box.
on the go, right? Very interesting. So these bags, will they help contain the heat?
Sir, we do have the whole full heated up things. We will not put it in there. Only the warmness will be there.
Okay, but
Yeah,
it stays, yeah. I think for anybody who's going for the lunch, this is perfect. Like,
Yes, sir.
You know,
This
you-
is his lunch and her lunch.
Oh, nice.
According to the color, we have.
yeah, the color coordination.
Color coordination. Okay.
Nice. I would definitely not go for the pink one. Yeah, but this is nice. I like even the bags and everything. By the way, if you guys also are wondering how am I comfortably touching all of this, one of the things I want to show you because I just saw this person just checking it. If you pan there, see, whenever anybody touches anything, right? So they take that and then they actually go ahead and sanitize it. So everything that you touch as a customer, you are free to touch it. You are free to experience everything. The idea of the store is pretty much the experience store. So you can touch, feel, understand how the product is and everything. But you can feel safe only because every time somebody touches any of the product, that goes back into the inside the area and it gets sanitized and then comes back on the shelf. So that's something which I really love, because when I came in, I was not very sure that I wanted to try it out. But then they said, please go ahead and use whatever you want, touch it. They are going to sanitize it. So they are taking it back into that area where they are going to sanitize it, and eventually it comes back onto the shelf. Very nice. I really love it.
Thank you.
Because people need to feel safe during this COVID, that they can come out and shop.
The main intention of the outlet is the people can experience the product. They can touch, feel everything. If we are telling them not to touch the product, the whole idea will be like the same.
Yeah. In fact, I know for a fact that these are the bottles that a lot of people have picked up in Amazon. In fact, I have picked it up in Amazon and various other platforms. Right? These are no-brainers. I know this is 1 liter, this is half liter. I pick it up. But majority of the people, in fact, when I was talking to a few friends, and I told that, I am planning on going to Tupperware and, picking it up. Majority of my friends actually told that, Tupperware bottle, what will you pick?
Sir, only the bottle, what the mindset is,
Tupperware
is bottle and the lunch, and one more thing, the housewives, what we know, the storage area.
Yes.
Okay, and Tupperware is much beyond those things.
Exactly. So I went to the website, I kind of saw it, but believe it or not, I think over the days, even Tupperware as a brand has evolved with colors, with the styling and everything. So you see the bag looks very premium. Right? I don't mind taking that bag out of my car, keeping it at my desk, because right now I can't even eat outside or do anything. So I'm taking lunch from home, it doesn't look awkward, it looks good. And even your bottles, the color combinations, it all delivers a particular message that I can clearly differentiate between him and her.
Him and her. Yes.
So I'm
this
sorry.
Is actually the family bottle.
Yes.
Different sizes and the colors. This is basically for the kids in the family, and this is for the elders, and that is for the teenagers.
Teenagers. So this is the school kids, or this is your teenagers. That's your elderly, and this is for those cute little toddlers at home. But no matter what, I as an influencer, as a food blogger, would always tell you that minimum 3 to 4 liters of water every day, and you will do that only if you have a bottle in your hand. So don't forget to carry your water, don't forget to hydrate. 3 to 4 liters of water every day, and you will flush out a lot of things out of your systems that you don't want. So good.
And one more thing, we have right from 350 ml to 2 liters.
350 ml to 2 liters. So
the bottle range.
Yeah. If you also are a fitness freak, you can pick this up full liter and keep doing dumbbells.
Yes.
Maybe you will gain that. So
what is
that?
This is the bottle stand. Once we wash the bottles and we want to drain the water,
Oh my God.
we can keep it like that.
So that is a separate accessory?
Separate accessory for the
Okay.
bottles.
So something that I really love is they have thought of every
detail.
small things. Like, how to make people's life easier.
Yes.
So a lot of R&D in that. This is something that I had seen online. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is your rice storage.
Yes, sir. Rice storage. This has 22 liters capacity. 20 kg of your rice, dal, anything can go in that.
Yes.
This is the biggest container what we have as of now.
Yeah.
Okay. This is airtight, and the whole 20 kgs will stay fresh till the end.
Yeah.
That is
So
the thing.
one thing for any South Indian family, especially even in my house, right? What we usually do is we pick up 25 kilo bags of rice and we get it home. And we strongly believe in one thing, that no matter what, the rice cannot get over in the house, right? So
Yes, exactly.
we usually get the 25 kg of rice, and then we have a small box in which we are pouring the rice, but the remaining 25 kilo bag is still kept like that only, and eventually, we ration it out.
Yeah, every time when we are picking from the things, we have to call someone and.
Yes. So basically, it is me in my house. So they call me and they're like, please pick up the bag, empty it, and I have to wrap it and put it
In
back.
this case, you just open your.
No, the good part about this, what I really like is this part.
Yes, exactly.
So if you have put it inside, you can just, pull it out and then show. And I'm also sorry I'm touching a lot of things.
No, sir. It will be sanitized now.
Yes. So
We
it
have
is
the tabs
airtight.
here.
Yeah.
You can open easily from the tabs.
So there is tap and it is flexible, airtight and pretty sturdy also. So I love it. I was very curious to see that. So if at all you go to their website, you see almost all the products. Good part about coming to a Tupperware store is you see them in life. Okay? And this is pretty much Bhumika's paradise because
That's the storage.
that's the storage and she loves it. In my house, one of the major things that we have are these.
Yes, sir.
So every shape and size we have this, but something she is eyeing today are these because these are the small containers that we had.
Exactly.
So she want to uniform it,
Huh.
the entire.
Sir, even everything is stackable. See, say this can be stackable. The two of them can be
Yeah.
one above the other. If you have this also, you can stake on that. The beauty of the products are it is stackable, and when you are not using it, you can nest one between the other, and you can keep it.
Yeah, that's another thing, right? So if you what she was also trying to say is I'm going to pick up different sizes, okay, and I will show you what she means. So if you see this, you can just hold one of
Yes,
this.
sure.
So you see that I can actually stack it. So that's the beauty of this. So everything is planned in such a way that you can just go ahead and stack it one over the other and see I'm tilting it almost 30-45 degrees and it might not fall because it's empty, but if it is loaded I'm pretty confident it falls. But the idea, you get it, right? It's easy to storage and it is very practical.
Space saving, sir.
Yeah.
In
Very
Bangalore,
practical.
you know the square feet rate is so high that we have to save that kitchen
Exactly.
areas and all.
I mean, what I'm hearing, also it is, if you're not using this, you can just keep dropping it one over the other and,
Yes,
use it. But what I'm also looking at is, say, I being the guy, very rarely I walk into the kitchen to cook something. For me, one of the biggest problems in kitchen, at least a couple of months back, was to find where is the dal,
Yes.
where is that, where is this. These are all transparent, so it's easy for anybody to identify.
And
You
we
could
have
just
one
put a
more thing
sticker.
also, sir, which you can see almost full thing.
Oh, this is a plastic one, no? Not
This
glass.
is polycarbonate, sir.
Okay.
This is easy to open, close, everything, and this is airtight, and you can use it in the fridge also. when
Just
you are
check this. Bhumi, I think we should get this. This looks very nice. Wow. Simple,
Yeah, same.
but airtight. I love this. Looks very classy. Pretty premium finish. Fantastic. Okay, these are your storage options. So just to give you an idea of how your kitchen could potentially look, there you go.
Neat.
Very clean. You can see everything, and I can probably name major of these. Okay, so you see you have your jaggery rice. There are 3 types of rice. I don't know what were there.
Sir, one is for idli, normal.
Oh, idli, regular rice,
and
and dosa rice. Yeah. And these are your snackable containers. Where are your biscuits? Where are your
dry fruit.
dry fruits, nuts,
No.
all your dal, everything.
These are the seeds, sir, which is immunity boosters, sir.
Yeah, pumpkin seeds.
The pumpkin seed and everything. Fantastic, I really love it. Okay, one of my favorite part, and I saw this on your website. I'm here mainly to understand that. That is refrigeratable, utensils.
Yes.
Now, one of the things I very clearly remember is in my house when I want to refrigerate something, I'll just take it and dump it.
Okay.
Okay, but with Tupperware on your website, I saw there are a few of these containers which was refrigerator friendly.
Yes.
Some of them said it was freezer. Some of them said it was for your, main, right? So, do we have something? Wow.
We have for storing juice, water and all. This is coffee decoction what I made out of coffee brew and keeping it in the fridge.
What? Are you serious?
Yes sir, that is the decoction. Okay. You can make
Oh.
wonderful cold coffees and hot coffee also. If there's
So if my followers are seeing this, they know why I am so excited about this, because I am a big coffee guy. Wow. And this is also plastic.
polycarbonate.
Polycarbonate, yeah. Wow. Your cold coffee always in the refrigerator, and it is always doing.
One more tip also sir, in the COVID time we will be having some vomiting sensation or something when we go out or something. With your bottle you just take this decoction of few drops, say 5 to 6 drops, and shake it well and drink that water. You will not feel that
Pure sensation and everything. Fantastic. So there's other sections.
this is like that.
Okay.
And the coriander, you can see, and
What is this?
buttons, we have heavy breathers. The vegetables actually breathe.
Okay.
Heavy breathers, we will open both the wells. Okay. For little normal breathers, we have the sticker also, so that we can refer to that and do.
Oh, nice.
Look at this. They have what are the heavy breathers, what are not, and
We
it's a
will
very
set
interesting one.
according to that. So, one for moderate breathers. We will close both for the
Non-breather.
Yeah.
And very nice. If you see, I just want to show you. And
Freshness will be there, sir.
and I think this has been there for the entire day already.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. So it's been in the refrigerator for the entire day, and look at the freshness. You know, your
Sir, you can
coriander
keep,
is still bouncing.
keep for
Clearly tells
4
it's
to
fresh.
5 days also the same freshness. will be
Freshness. So that's another thing, right? During COVID, one of the things even I do regularly is when Bhumika gives me a list of things that I need to go buy, I will just go to the vegetable vendor, pick up whatever I want, and it's pretty much in bulk. I get that, keep it in, give it to her, and she usually stores in the refrigerator. But what I was curious was, how does this work?
The grooves is also
There's
there.
also brew.
The water pot what gets in will be there stored in the on the
Groove.
grooves. It will not touch the.
We do not touch
vegetables.
the plant, so for a lot of thought process in this. Oops.
And we have tomatoes also. See how fresh it is.
So, but what is the difference between this and the regular boxes?
So regular boxes, see here the water holes also we have the grooves. The water will be inside, it will not stick the vegetables. The vegetables will stay fresh.
Fresher
The
longer
shelf-
because there is
the
no
shelf
water
life-
content in
yeah.
it, and also air sealed.
Yes, exactly. The shelf life of the vegetables, fruits, everything, and we can store the cut fruits and the vegetables also.
Yes, and also from what I have read, it's also the temperature control. Okay, so this stays in particular temperature so that there are times when your refrigerator becomes very cold. Okay, because of your condenser issues or whatever it is. I don't know what it is exactly, but technical problems. Your refrigerator becomes very cold or not. So this kind of tries to keep the temperature at the same time, no matter what. Okay, so very interesting.
I will show you.
Yeah, but I also wanted to understand the
Yeah,
freezer one.
freezer.
Sorry. Yeah.
That we have freezer, we can put corn, peas, whenever we are getting at the lower prices, we can store it in our thing so that it will stay fresh for a long time. Okay, we have ice tray in which we can pour the
Oh yeah, I
water.
like this.
Yeah, pour the water like this only instead of carrying the water and putting here and see, even the kids can do this if we are busy.
So one thing which I really like about this especially is how much they have thought about this. Like, you usually pour water and then
And
while
it
you are
gets-
keeping, it is spilled over here, and then suddenly what happens over here is it gets, a small block of ice is kept over here. So this solves that one.
Not only that, ma'am, when you are storing your tomato purees and tamarind pulp or something like that, no, you can pour in and take that out and keep it in the freezer net,
Freezer.
so that you can use one cube according to your family size. You can use 1 or the 2 cubes for making your sambars or something like that.
Yeah,
and
we
even
can
the
use it.
lemons, everything you can use.
So also the other thing is how flexible this part is, which makes it easier to open and close. So yeah, interesting. So there's a separate containers for a refrigerator, there's a separate container for freezer.
Yes,
and
exactly, sir.
everything.
We have this section, whole section is for that.
Yes.
This is the whole freezer section.
So this is all the freezer
Freezer
section,
section.
and then you have your water. This is also for water.
Yes, water, juice, etc.
Juice, etc. You can keep.
And buttermilk in the summer.
Oh yeah, you can load those. Very interesting. This one I have seen on the website. This is for to keep your lemons. No functionality to it, but it looks very cute. So yeah, you know where the lemons are. Perfect. So we also wanted to try the chopper and the
Yeah, sure.
knife and everything. So she wanted to buy the chopper,
Sure.
but I wanted to see how that really
We
works.
have the demo section. Ma'am, you can actually do it by yourself so that you will know what the difference between
Yeah.
other things and this one and then.
So Womp India is going to hand over this to Womp India Cooks, and I am going to take over the camera. She's going to come over and she's going to try doing it and experiencing herself, so that I don't go home and get baited for picking the wrong things. So I'm going to give it over to her. So come over.
Hello, ma'am.
There you go. So she's like a kid in a toy store right now. From that time, her eyes is going here, there, and everything, and she's actually pointing out from the back end. Telling her, I want that, I want this, I want that, I want this, and so on. So another very interesting thing that we have over here is their demo section. So where you can actually come. Ma'am, is this open for every customer?
Every customer.
Okay, so as every customer can actually come and pick up whatever they want and then give it a shot. They can try it out and do all of that. So very interesting. So one of the things I also saw was the chef knife and everything. So I want to see if those knife is something that we would really want to try. You can see these guys are wearing gloves and everything.
So, when it is wet and it is,
Probably you can remove your mask for a few minutes.
yeah,
There you go.
my hand is little bit sweat, so it was not going fast.
Okay.
We have this onion artisanal so that onions and garlic, potatoes, everything. It stays fresh. Because of this hole, it will not be, the sprouts will not come easily.
From the art.
Oh, nice. This is for your onion. Most of our, middle class family, we have one nice basket kind of a thing where we are just going to dump it and keep it in one corner of the kitchen.
Sometimes
Just,
it gets sprout.
yeah, it will get sprouted and
Better.
everything.
And
Okay, that's a lot. So it has
the
blades.
three blades, it will be very sharp. When we are not using, we will close the blade and okay. What I'll do, you can try your knife also.
Right? Yeah. Wow.
I better be careful now because Bhumika has weapon in her hand.
It's very sturdy. Yeah.
I think the knife is pretty sharp.
Yes, it is.
Careful with the hand.
So let's do the chopping and then chop about.
So do you want the knife or the chopper?
Chopper.
Chopper. Actually, I think the chopper is for the men, not for you people. Because
Get the things faster.
Yeah.
And, no, I'll cut it in
Yeah.
So the best part about, or the worst part about onions is it tastes great in any food food, but while you are trying to eat that or chop that, you are gonna cry.
Okay.
So that's an entire onion going in there. And if I had to chop that, it would practically take about
Hold here.
All here.
Go closer then. You can see if the size is enough for you, or whether you can chop little more.
So we are doing salsa.
Yeah.
And we need the onions to be more smaller size.
If you want, because of the glove, it will.
oh boy. That's it. Less than 30 seconds. And it's done.
88 cuts in 15 seconds.
Yeah. So pretty awesome.
So, what is this? I think
This is the chop collector now. You can. Yeah.
Okay,
Whenever
let's see
you are
this.
in the kitchen counter, you can just open this.
Oh,
You can collect all your.
plus.
Yes.
Wow.
And even when you are doing Bisidelevat and all, no, you keep one more thing. You open this also, and you move the chopped vegetables into one.
Okay.
that
so it is not
you-
always a dust collector, but you can use it as another chopped
chop collector.
vegetable collector. Very interesting. This is very, very nice. I mean, a lot of people would have kitchen cabinets down, and this is the easiest way to like chop and get rid of stuff.
Every time we
And
need not
keep
go
the-
to the.
Keep your
Cabin clean.
cabin clean, the table. Very nice. What do you think, Bhumi? You want that? There you go. I think there's going to be a big bill for me today.
Is this size enough or you want other?
I think that's a good one. I think this is good.
I think it's good. We'll just take it out.
Even the spoon is from Tupperware?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, we will not use anything other things.
Nice. They have a Tupperware spoon also. Take it.
Sir, we have a solution.
A lot of
for
people are
every-
actually talking about the coffee. Garima, sure, it is in HSR layout, sector 3,
Sir, sector 1.
sector 1. Yeah, okay.
27th Main, opposite police station.
Very nice. You want to chop one more?
Yeah.
Just two.
Yep.
So that happiness drug, I think we are going to make some salsa out of it. Maybe even try it.
That's a lot.
And that's the beauty of this entire experience store, right? They have all of these stuff that they have freshly sourced and they have kept it for people to come and give it a shot. And like they said, majority of this stuff actually stays for 3-4 days. So over 3-4 days when people come in, a lot of people would want to try, and they do offer everybody to come and try the demo center so that people are a lot more convinced
to buy the product. While me and you were discussing, the onions are chopped. And I have just covered half of this store. There is still another half left and few interesting products lined up as well. So, and I also would be talking about their Diwali offer, which is the reason why I am at the store right now, because the Diwali offer is probably something that is going to work out very well. So all your husbands, if you're listening to this, best time. The best part is Bhumika has taken the cooking very seriously right now.
Once it's you just
Shake it?
Yeah. One more.
They want to cook a little bit more. Yashaswini, this is in HSR layout. And on the 27th Main. In fact, there is a bigger version of that also. This is a bigger version of the same thing, no?
One more version of the we have.
Okay.
We have 3 sizes in that. This is our
Oh, that's a very bigger one. Ma'am, how much is that? The small one?
1,850. We have 10% discount. 1,665.
So that's 1,665. This is 2,200. And
That is 15% also.
so this is 2,200 and it gets a 15% discount. That's part of that?
Yes, sir. We
You also
use
get
that
this?
for blending.
This is for your blending. Very interesting. What I like is how the product is so sturdy. So while they are actually cooking, I want to also show this. Puffed rice is something that a lot of us really love to have, and always we would get it home and keep it. And if these stuff aren't really kept properly, you will lose a lot of freshness, and they kind of becomes very soggy and stuff. So fantastic. So while they cook, I'm going to further continue, and these are their festive set, and these are your gifting set basically. So they have already curated stuff for you. You can handpick and curate yourself. So if you are gifting somebody this festivity, what you can do is you can actually go ahead and pick up something and put it all together and gift them. So if you are looking for a friend who actually goes to office, that's a coffee mug, that's your thermal flask, and that's the tiffin box and the tiffin ware. So that one you can give if somebody's being on a healthy diet and stuff like that, right? So they are into the juice, they are into your protein shakes, they would be doing their salad, so they would need the salsa, and this is the grater and all of that. And then this is for your friends who are at home and they are probably just got, who just got married, you want to give them something that has those options. So they have already defined these sets, and that's for kids. You can just put that all together. So very interesting. I love that. And then this is what I was very, very curious about. Look at this. Thing. This is very dangerous. I'm actually holding phone and the knife both. But yeah, a proper chef knife. And I love the fact that they have protection to it, because usually what happens is we all keep it at home inside the drawer and anything, and it kind of could cut your hands and so on. Not sure what this is, but I will probably... Oh, this is a can opener. Very interesting. Okay, I really don't know how to do that, but yeah, apparently this is a can opener. Okay, we have another person who can help us with that. Okay.
Fix it on the can, and okay, you can turn this like this. It will go from one corner, it will get open.
Oh, so if you have the puree cans or anything,
Tins especially.
tins especially. Recently, that's been actually going on Facebook. People are opening the beer cans and everything just like that. So ideally, you have to keep the can in between these, lock it, and then turn this, and then to basically go in the circular motion, and you will get it. That's your coffee stuff. That I am definitely taking. All of those. Your masala box, the chopper, that's for your milk, stuff like that. Oh, you guys are ready? Okay. Alright. Okay. The salsa is almost ready while we were looking at other stuff.
We are adding red chili sauce.
There you go. We have red chili sauce.
The salt.
Some salt.
This beauty of the spoon is, sir, you can stick.
Oh, nice.
See, and in the bowl also you can stick. So it is very
It's
interesting.
this is called hang-on spoon.
Interesting.
Very demanding
Product. Yeah. Very interesting, actually. Usually what happens is it gets...
Yes.
Even while
for
you're-
the pickles and all, when we are taking the pickles out, every time we need not wash till our all our finish.
Everything is done, yeah. And even if I'm taking it for my food also, right?
Yes, exactly.
It makes sense. Because if the spoon is small and the container is big,
Big.
it goes in.
inside.
Just hold it.
Fantastic. Stop playing with it.
I get the nachos, you can taste that.
So, and like I said, nothing over here is just for the show. They really mean it. So they have even kept nachos. And it was stored in their container.
You
Okay.
can see the crispiness now.
So just pick one and give from your gloves. Yes. I'm going to take this. So just to give you a demo of how fresh this is. Because if the container was not fresh, this wouldn't break. But see. Perfect. If you can hear the crunch, it's fresh.
Yeah.
Give it to her. You cook.
Taste it, sir, because
You taste and see how good.
sir, we know about our product. You should tell me how it is made.
Yes.
Yeah, I'll take.
Perfect, ma'am.
Did she cook okay? Okay. Okay. I'm also doing the taste test. Okay, I'm going to be doing the taste test. It's so funny that we came to a cookware store, and instead of cooking, I'm eating here also. Awesome. Everything is very fresh, nice.
Crispy kind of soft.
That is Bhumika's way of testing if everything is good or not. But I'm in love with this product. That is very, very sensible one. Awesome. So, great. Thank you for the demo and thank you for the salsa.
Ma'am, how is the experience, ma'am? You can share with us.
Yeah, what do you think, Bhumi?
The chopper and
Your demo experience.
The experience was wonderful. What I'm buying for sure is the chopper and the spoon and this dustbin, and it is the chop collector. It is a way easier thing to not make the kitchen or my cabin messy and keep it less clean.
Clean.
Yeah.
What about the onion one? I think even the onion
Yeah,
basket is good.
Yeah.
I think that is something that we should definitely have.
Okay.
Because I think what happens is when I'm looking at this particular view, what I'm looking at is kitchen being very well planned.
Plan.
So you don't really have too much mess when you're cooking
And
and
it's
stuff like that.
very easy to just
Identify.
look at it and just take it out and cook it.
Oh, but by the way, one other thing we always have a problem with is during this COVID, for us, no ma'am, when we are supposed to go out to get this, stuff for home, right, groceries, we usually make a list and then we go and pick it up. And our family especially believes in hand picking stuff. So it is not really any online ordering platform. So we go and pick it from a particular store whom we trust and whom we have been buying for a couple of years now and so on. So we go over there. It's pretty much like 10-15 kilometers from my house. But we still go there and pick it up. Now what happens is we go there, we pick it, then we come back home, and one of the things we realize is we have missed out few things. Why does that usually happen is because they are in closed containers and you are always opening and checking if it is there and you don't know. This gives you...
What the thing is, no? You can see how much is there, how much we need, how much to fill, quarter,
Yes.
half, everything. And the one more thing is, sir, we are trained as a kitchen expert, sir. Okay, if you are of a family of 2, 4, 6 like that, we will come to your house, see your kitchen. We will give you the advice how many boxes you need according to your purchase idea. We do it for free for you as a kitchen expert. We will come visit your house and we give the solution for your kitchen, sir.
Oh, fantastic. So they can just come here,
Yes, sure, sir.
identify, and then you guys can come over to the kitchen, see how much it is and what kind of
The people
packaging.
who are very busy, they cannot come to our store, see it. They can book the kitchen expert with us. We do go to their place. We see their kitchen, how it is, and we see the purchase things, how the purchase mode and all. According to that, we will suggest some things to them, and they can decide upon what to buy, what not to buy, and then we will deliver the products to them also.
Fantastic. I think that's a great thing actually. I didn't know about that. That's perfect.
We as store managers, we have been trained for that, and we have the kitchen expert certificate also with us.
Okay.
So that we will plan the kitchen for the people.
Fantastic. If anybody is newly married and everything, you guys are setting up your home, I think it's easier. Anyways, you're going to buy it. This is a free service. Might as well, use that. Love it. Thank you. Anything else that you want to add?
Yeah.
All good?
Yeah, all good.
Okay. Great. So while she is going to, do all the shopping, continue to do all the shopping, I will just cover the last few things that we have. These are your kitchen sets. The utensils. This is the casserole. wherein if you're doing your fulkas, rotis or anything, for it to stay hot. The serving tray and everything, perfect. Thermometer is not from Tupperware, it's just for you, them to check. Yeah, beautiful.
So this is the tea.
Oh, this is something, yeah. So this is basically your tea leaves user. So all your green tea folks, put your green tea in this and then lock it. Yeah. Lock it and then dip it into your tea stand and leave it for some time, and your permanent tea bag is right here. How much is this? $3.95, and your solution is here, and it can withstand a lot of hot temperatures and everything.
Exactly.
And it looks pretty good aesthetically also.
Okay.
So there you go. That is more or less. And then last bit of what I wanted to talk about is these. That is basically your chopper, and this is your steam where you have, you know, multiple sets wherein you can put in hot water bottom and then you can have. So if at all you want momos, that's what you will do. And yeah, beautiful stuff. I love this design. There is the black one and then there is this yellow one which looks nice. Awesome. Anything else? Oh, by the way, what I would want to show you is, you see these red tags and you see these and so on. This is all across the store, and the best part about that is, for example, whatever cost is this, you get 20% discount on that, and then you can use it. And I want to show you the actual festive season off. So see this. So for every 1,000 rupees you're billing, you're going to get 5% off. Every 2,000 it's 15%. It says 10 here. But for 4,000 it's 25, and for 6,000 it's 33%. So just to give you an idea, now let's assume that this casserole is 2,000 rupees. There is flat 30% off on it. Okay, and then you buy this entire dinner set, and that is another 3,000. So let's assume that, you know, just to keep the numbers easy, that's 1,500, and this is 3,000 rupees, right? So total will be 4,500. So then you will be eligible for 25% discount on the total bill again. So in short, you are benefiting a lot by just getting everything. So yeah, they also have something called loyalty referral program. Can you please?
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, when you purchase with us, your database, the customer database will be with us. And then when you are referring your friends and they are coming and giving your reference to us, they will be getting 10% off on their first purchase, and your points will be added to the same amount, 10% to your wallet.
Okay.
You can use whenever you are in need of. And if you are repurchasing with us, every 100 rupees, 2 points will be added for that, which you can use later in the stage. So the repurchase, when you are coming for the next time, you can use those points. 1 point is equal to 1 item.
Nice. So you see, we have Diwali offer. There is already flat discount, and then you have loyalty referral program. Overall, I think it's a great deal.
Exactly.
That we had.
When you are purchasing 50% of products, again 10% will
10% we'll get, and then I'm going to get my loyalty referral.
Yes.
And then if something comes in, so I'm definitely going to be a lot of profit. But thanks a lot once again, ma'am, for actually giving us. So guys, I'm going to be saving this video on my IGTV because a lot of people weren't on live. So it will be there. Any questions, you can always DM me. Let me know and I can probably guide you. There are multiple outlet stores in Bangalore. You guys can definitely go, and it's all across India. So you can definitely take it from there. Okay? the store got a lot busier, so I think I'll not be a problem for all of them. And I'll sign off from here. Cheers to you all from Tupperware and from Wump India. Do come, try the store. I can guarantee you, you will walk out with a bunch of products from Tupperware, and half of them you wouldn't have even realized that you wanted it. But once you come here, you will know that you want it. Alright? So anyway, thanks a lot. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, sir.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving so many feedbacks, everything, and everything what you have asked is already packed. We will give it to you.
Yeah, Bhumi's already done a ton of shopping. Now it is my turn to go and swipe my card. But anyway, take care, guys. Cheers. Bye bye. Stop it.